Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. Today video is about the comeback of Micromax in market. If you know, the Micromax is one of the leading Indian brand available in market till 2015. After the entry of these Chinese smartphones, it becomes very difficult for Micromax to come back. The Chinese company smashed Micromax and other Indian brands by providing better camera, performance and hardware quality at low price. The main difficulty in front of Micromax was Chinese brands were very fast in launching their products, and especially their pricing and features, which at that time was quite difficult for Micromax to go at that extent. But now, finally Micromax has made a comeback by introducing its new in-series smartphones. According to me, Micromax has chosen right time to come back in market, because all over country there is a anti-Chinese sentiments is going on. At this time, Micromax has the opportunity to take back what they have lost in 2015. Till 2015, Micromax market value was 3.5 billion, and at that time, Micromax was the second largest smartphone brand in India with 70% market share, and after that it started going under downfall. But once again now Micromax has the chance to make tough competitions in market. So here the Micromax has launched two new smartphones powered by MediaTek Helio G processor in this new in series. We will see specs and designs and software of this product. The main attractive thing while buying a smartphone is its price. The Micromax has made a very good comeback in price, and features are also remarkable. The first mobile phone from Micromax after comeback is Micromax in Note 1. It is a top model in the in mobile series lineup. It features a 6.67 punch hole display with screen with full HD plus resolution. The processor used in the smartphones are MediaTek Helio G85 processor. Coming towards the back, there is a slightly X-shaped tilt available. When you move the phone, it will give some special effects. The another best thing about this product is its camera. The phone has a quad camera setup. The main camera is a 48 megapixel with 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor and also 2 megapixel macro sensor, and the front camera has 16 megapixel for selfies, videos and phone unlock mechanism. It has a fingerprint sensor at back. It also has a 5000 mAh big battery with 18-watt fast charger in the box. The phone also supports reverse charging. Now let's see its type of different variants. This phone comes in two different types of variants: 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage for 10,999 and 4GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage for 12,499. Now this is the lowest price I have ever seen considering this type of features. Now we look after second smartphone launched by Micromax. The Micromax in 1B is an entry-level budget smartphone powering with MediaTek Helio G35 processor. As I told you, it's an entry-level budget phone. The processor here is quite good and decent. The phone setup with dual camera featuring 13 megapixel primary sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor and the front is 8 megapixel selfie camera. The good thing in this phone is it also has 5000 mAh battery and Type-C port and also supports 10-watt fast charger. This is a quite nice feature in an entry-level smartphone. Let's look at different variants. This phone also comes in two different variants: 2GB plus 32GB internal storage at price 6,999 only, and 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage at 7,499. According to the specs and features, this is the best price you get in market to buy any smartphone brand. The Micromax has done really great job at this time. Both the smartphones runs in a pure stock Android with no bloatware and advertisement. The Micromax has claimed that you will get 2 years Android OS upgrade plus including security updates. The Micromax has also combined with MediaTek for their upcoming projects. At this time I think we have to support Micromax and make it again Desh ka smartphone. So in this video we have seen the Micromax in Note 1 and 1B smartphone. Comment down what do you think about these phones.